Hello student, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from Helpam Public School and this school situated in Gola Bazaar. Today our topic is mental maths. We have to learn today mental maths exercise that is given in your book and we have to solve some mental maths question. Okay, some hard question. So without wasting our time, come on topic, that is question number 8. Circle the 4-digit number. You have to circle the 4-digit number. Firstly, you have to choose which number is 4-digit number, and what you have to do, circle the 4-digit number. In this number 147, 3-digit number, 6572, 4-digit number. So we have to circle it. Okay, and the next is 703, that is 3-digit number. 1309, that is 4-digit number. We can count it that there are 4 digits. Okay, in 1339. And the next one is 766, that is 3-digit number. And 8400, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So we have not circle it. Okay. In next question there are 1000. When we write 1000, there will be 100. Okay. 1000, there will be 1000. Okay. So we can say that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So we have to circle 1000. Okay. So we have to circle 1000. And now the next is 700. 700 means 700. That is a 3-digit number. We can see here that 700 in figures we can write such type. Okay, and that is 700. There are 3 digits, so we have not circled it. And the next is 999. 999. We can see here that in 999 there are 1, 2, 3 digits, so we have not circled it. And the next one is 1200. 1200, and you can see here that 1200 is a 4-digit number. So we have to circle 1200. Okay, we have to circle 1200. Okay, the next question is fill in the blanks. You have to fill in the blanks with correct answer. Listen here, the number for 5693. The number for 5693. 5000. Firstly on 1000 place there will be 5. 5600 on 100 place there will be 5 and 93. So on 10 there is 9 and on 1 there is 3. The number that is 5693, that is 5693. In figures we can write 5693, that is 5693. And the next one is 3000 plus 20 plus 7. We can see here that is 3000 plus 20 plus 200 plus 7. On 10th place there is nothing. So we can see here that 3200. On 10th place there is nothing. On 1st place there is 7. So we have to write 0 on 10th place and 1 on 7 on 1st place. Okay. So we can write it 3207. What will be the number? The number is 3207. The next is the number name for 6015 is. 6015 in figure we have to write its number name. So 600, 6000, 6015. That is written in words. Okay. And the next is the place value of and face value of 8 in 7854. We can see here that 8 is on 1s, 10s, 100 place. So the place value of 8 is, firstly we have to write place value, and place value of 8 is 800. And face value of the number is the digit itself. Okay. So face value of 8 is 8. Okay. So place value is 800. 800 and place value is 8. The next question is compare each pair of number, that is question number C. Compare each pair of numbers, put greater or smaller in the circle. Okay, that is given here. You can see here in this abacus there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hundreds, and in this abacus there are 2000. Okay, when we compare 1000 places in this abacus, on 1000 place there is 0, and in this abacus on 1000 place there is 2. So we can say that this 2000 is greater than 700. Okay, that is 700. Okay, and that is 2000. So we can say that 2000 is greater than 700. Okay, so the abacus, this abacus is greater value. Okay, in the next there are 1005 and 1000. 1005 and 1000. Which one is greater? 1005 means 1000 and plus 5, and 1000 only 1000. Which one is greater? 1005 is greater because it has greater place value. So we can say that 1005 is greater than 1000. So 1005 is greater than 1000. The next one is 295 and that is 2000. You can see here that is 2000. On 1000 place there is 2, and there are no 1000 digits, no 1000 places. So we can say that 2000 is greater than 295. So we can say that 2000 is greater than 295. Okay, and the next one is that is 4500 and 540. When we compare 1000 places, in this number there are on 1000 places there are 4 and there are no 1000 places. So we can say that 4500 is greater than 540. Okay, so 4500 is greater than 540. Okay, the next one is the next question is circle the numbers in which the place value of, okay, what you have to do, circle the numbers in which place value of, okay, 7 is 70. In which number the place value of 7 is 70. Okay, in this number the place value of 7 is 7. In this number the place value of 7 is 700, and in this number the place value of 7 is 70 because 7 is located on 10th place. So we can say that in this number the place value of 7 is 70. Okay, and in next there are 7 is 1 stands 100 places. So we can say that place value of 7 is 700. And the next one is 8 is 800. In which number the place value of 8 is 800? So we have to search it. In this number 8 is on 10th place. So the place value of 8 is 80. In this number 8 is on 1000 place and the place value of 8 is 8000. In this number 8 is on 1st place and the place value of 8 is 8. And in this number 8 is on 100 place and the place value of 8 is 800. So this number is, in this number the place value of 8 is 800. Okay, and the next is 1 is 1000. In which number the place value of 1 is 1000, that is 7143. 1 is on 100 place, and in this number 1 is on 1000 place. So we can say that the place value of 1 will be 1000. Okay, so we have to circle it. And the next is 6 is 6. In which number the place value of 6 is 6? This is 600. The place value of 6 is 600 because 6 is on 100 place. In this number 6 is on 1000 place and the place value of 6 is 6000. And in this number 6 is on 10th place and the place value of 6 is 60. And in this number 6 is on 1st place and the place value of 6 is 6. So this number is, in this number the place value of 6 is 6. And the next one is really the correct number. 1 more than 79. 1 more than 79 means successor of 79. Okay, 1 more than 79, 79, 80. Okay, because you know that 80 comes just after 79. Okay, so the successor of 79 is 80. Okay, 1 less than 6000. 1 less than 6000 means predecessor of 6000. Okay, you know that 5999 just comes before 6000. 5999 just comes before 6000. So we can say that 5999 is the successor of, predecessor of 6000. 5999. The next one is 1 less than 70 means predecessor of 70. Okay, that is 69. Okay, so we can say that 69 is the predecessor of 70 because 69 comes just before 70. Okay, so the predecessor of 70 is 69. 7549 plus dash is equal to 7550. We know that 7550 is successor of 7549. So when we find successor of any number, then we have to add 1 to this number. Okay, so we have to add 1 here and just find successor of this number. Okay, thank you for watching the video, and we will meet in new video with new topic. Thank you.